This is what you think should be done with Mommy's dishes? Put them on the floor and then sit on them? Use them as a little scooter? You were standing on it earlier. Yeah? You're a funny girl. Oh. Where did it go? Yeah. Is there something nice on the floor? Yeah. What you gonna do? Sit on or stand on it? Hi, Sarah. Can you say mama? Can you say baba? Can you say baba? Can you say banana? Can you say banana? Banana. Not talking now.